ashes from the flames. The truth is what remains. The truth is what you save from the fire, and you fight for what you love. Don't matter if it hurts, you find out what it's worth, and you let the rest burn. 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 And you let Sunset burns like gasoline, touch me, make sure that I'm not dreaming. I see her face and my heart skips beats, but I still get the feeling that we're half asleep. There's a spark in the corner of my baby's eye, like a distant star that won't burn quiet. Yeah, I might not know what I want from this life, but I know I want more than the starting line. So give me the fire, yeah, give me the fire. I can hear the motor running down the interstate, and all the distractions fade away. And if the house burns down tonight, I got everything I need with you by my side. I see the smoke piling up in the rearview mirror, yeah, but I've never seen it any clearer. If the house burns down tonight, I got everything I need when I got you by my side. And let the rest burn. And let the rest burn. And let the rest burn. I've given too much of my heart away. My soul was holding on like a house divided. Like a match, it burns down like a masquerade, and I had to let it go when the fire ignited. One heart, two hands. Your life is all you hold. Your life is all you hold. Two hearts, hold tight and let the bitter go. Yeah, let it go and give me the fire. The smoke tries to choke in the Pacific sun. We rock it down the road like we shot out of guns. And if the house burns down tonight, I got everything I need with you by my side, holding you in the wheel. It occurs to me we're driving down the edge of eternity. And if the house burns down tonight, I got everything I need when I got you by my side. And let the rest burn. And let the rest burn. Put your hand in mine and put your heart in driving. We got everything we need, yeah. We got everything we need, yeah. Left it all behind.